At 3:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Quebec. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Vaudreuil, Soulanges, Valleyfield, Laval, and Montreal Island. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing destructive wind gusts, baseball size or greater hail and heavy rain. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
7. UV index 8 or
3:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, June 16, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Laval area, Montréal Island area and Vaudreuil area.
15h28, heure avancée de l'Est. Le jeudi 16 juin 2022, une alerte d'orage violent vers normal de l'Est en vigueur pour secteur de Laval, secteur de l'île de Montréal et secteur de Vaudreuil.
forecast for Lanaudière issued by